These ones are really pretty. They're like watercolor. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot about the statice. Okay, I gotta go in with this. I always pronounce this one wrong. Chrysanthemums. I love celebrating mothers. I think they're some of the hardest workers on this planet. This is gonna look so good. I'm so excited to see what it looks like. Look how beautiful this is. Hi everybody, it's Jade and welcome back to my channel, Lifestyle with Jade. Today I'm here preparing a Mother's Day bouquet on my own, like a homemade kind of DIY style video for anybody who wants to celebrate any mothers in their lives. And I'm super excited to see the outcome of this. So I guess stay tuned and watch my video to see how it turns out. So I got a nice arrangement of flowers here. We got some baby breath, we got some white roses, some, I always pronounce this one wrong, chrysanthemums.
Chrysanthemum.
Carnations, I think these are called statice. I forget what these ones are, but we're gonna make such a beautiful bouquet with these. So I'm gonna start by taking off the binding rubber bands on them to get them separated. I have my paper here to make the bouquet with. And again, you can use whatever you'd like. I've seen a lot of people use like really beautiful designer paper, newspaper if you want more of a DIY look. All of it is good, all of it works. I ended up going with something a little more simple to give it like a little recycled look. So I'm gonna fold the paper over so that there's like the two mountain peaks right there. We're gonna start by placing some of the flowers. I'm gonna go in with some roses. I love roses. Roses are so beautiful. These ones are really pretty. They're like watercolor, almost. Like look, there's like blue tones in there, pink tones. Super, super pretty. I'm gonna break off some of these. I'm gonna go with that. I'm mostly gonna use more of the bluish ones because I want it to have more of a blue hue because that's her favorite. I'm gonna pull in a carnation. Let's grab one of these blue. Let's need some blue going on. Perfect. This is gonna look so good. I'm so excited to see what it looks like once it's done. We also have the white baby's breath, which is super beautiful also, so we'll put some of that in there as well. I love celebrating mothers. I think they're some of the hardest workers on this planet. Being a mom is a full-time job, and there are some amazing mothers out there. And again, you can always do something like this for friends as well. Anyone you know really who has a kid, it does not have to be your own mother. It could be a grandparent, it could be a friend, it could be your neighbor, whatever you like. A teacher, professor, anybody. Everybody deserves being celebrated, so. This is going to look so stinking cute once it's done. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot about the statice. Okay, I gotta go in with this. These are beautiful. I feel like this is gonna add like such a nice little accent flair to it. Let's go in. I got all of these flowers from H-E-B. I'm in Texas today making this, but they also have a ton of different flowers at like Trader Joe's. That's always a good option as well. There's tons of other stores that sell beautiful flowers as well. It's really whatever works for you. I just know when it gets close to Mother's Day, the stores start selling out of all of the pretty flowers. They run low days before, so if you're not super prepared, you might run out of the flowers that you're hoping to get, which is why I like to DIY. We got some more blue baby's breath. This is like a little teal color and I really like it. Oops, it's stuck to the others. I'm gonna put that in there. Final statice. That is beautiful. So freaking pretty. There's no way. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. I don't even know where to. I think I'm gonna add this right here. This is gorgeous. I think my mom is gonna love this so much. Her favorite color is blue, like I mentioned, but she's also a very classy gal. She's simplistic, so I think she'll really end up liking the, let me tuck this in. I think she'll like the white aspects of the white notes in this as well. I think that really fits her vibe. There's 2 more roses for me to put in, and then I think I'm done. I'm gonna throw in a rose here, and we're gonna throw in a rose here. Okay, now let me tie it off. I'm gonna use one of the rubber bands that I got originally off of, but you can also use like twine for this part. I kind of just like to use the rubber bands. I feel like they stay better. You gotta do this very carefully to make sure to not lose any. Oops, it might snap. Not lose any flowers. Hopefully this doesn't snap on me. So it's in the bouquet right now, and let me wrap the bouquet around. We're gonna kind of, if you have tape, this is easier. I'm unfortunately at an Airbnb where I don't have tape accessible right now, so I cannot use tape for this, but what I do have is twine. So once it's fully wrapped around, I'm gonna grab the twine, bring it back to the front, and we're gonna tie it off. Tie it off real cute. Add a little bit of a bow. Voila! Look how beautiful this is. I'm obsessed. She's gonna love it. She's gonna go crazy for this. It's a perfect little DIY bouquet for Mother's Day. Sometimes grocery stores and just flower stores in general be charging a ton for bouquets. This all together with all of the flowers was like $25, the wrap and everything. So I think it's pretty budget for what it is, the quality of it, so nice. And any mother in your life will be so lucky to receive this. You'll probably make her feel so loved. So if you want to do this for yourself, here's how. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching me put together this cute little DIY bouquet. As you can tell, I'm no expert with flowers or bouquets itself, but I wanted to show you how easy it is to make those in your life feel special. Again, does not have to be your mother. It can be anybody who is a mother, or even sometimes fathers deserve to be appreciated as well on this day. So if you're a father who stepped up and there's not a mom in the picture, you deserve to be spoiled as well. You can give these to anybody. Thank you guys. Make sure to like this video and comment what you want to see me do next.